Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to be looking at determinant of matrix. Not just determinant, but 3 by 3 matrix. In my previous video I did 2 by 2, and now we're going to be looking at 3 by 3. It's a bit tricky, but I'm sure you guys can do it. Now let's go to the board. We are told to obtain the determinant of the following matrix A and B. Now they ask us to find determinant of A and determinant of B. So let's start with A first. Then we'll think about B. Now, when you are given a question to solve like this, there are tricks applicable here. I'll show you guys how it works. First, let's bring out the question. Solution. The question is this. A 1 0 2 3 4 5 2 7 1. Please let's watch this. Now, this thing I'm about to apply now only works with 3 by 3 matrix, not 2 by 2 matrix. And what makes it 3 by 3 matrix? You can see 3 here is on the word column and 3 here is on the row. I told you guys previously that this is column and this is row. There are 3 numbers on both sides, so that makes it 3 by 3 matrix. That is sorted out. Now, what do you do now when it gets to this case? You do like this. Watch me, guys. You put plus here, plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus like this. I'm sure you can see this now. Now, what does this plus, minus, plus do? It means that this one is handling plus with care. This 0 is handling minus with care. This plus is handling it with care. Are we together now? Let's pick them out one by one. Now, we now start by saying 1 equal to, that one, where did we get it from? This one that is plus, that means it's invisible plus because it's the first one. Now, what you do now is this. You have to close here now. This place that this one is, you are closing the whole of here down and closing the whole of the row down. Here and here is shut down because of this one that is here. So what are we left out with? We are left out with 4, 5, 7, and 1. I'm sure you agree with me that way. Now let's move to 0. 0 is carrying negative sign, don't forget. So you have to introduce the 0 like this. Now let's just bring this down, okay? So if we shut this one down here, shut the upside down because that is where you find the 0. What are we left with? We are left with 3, 2, 5, and 1. Done. What is left out? Positive 2, right? Positive 2. What do we have here? Shut here down, shut here down. What do we have? We have 3, 4, 2, 7. So 3, 4, 2, and 7. Simple as that. Can we see what we've done now? Now, what do we do here in this scenario now? It means we have to do the needful that we know about our determinants. We are crossing everybody. Now, let's multiply. We are bringing this guy out here now. That we have 1. Remember, we have 1 here. We don't need to put this equal to sign here. It can be here like this. So we have 1 here. So 1 stands here like this. Let's multiply direct. Normally, we'll multiply as usual. 4 times 1 will give us what? 4. Right? Minus 3 times 5 will give us what? Will give us 35. I'm sure you're okay that way. The next one now, let's move to the next one. We have minus 0 here. 3 times 1 will give us 3. 2 times 5 will give us what? 10. So minus 10. Have we seen this now? Now move to the next one, plus 2. 3 times 7 will give us 21. Minus 2 times 4 will give us what? 8. This is the first stage, and I'm sure you guys are following up swiftly. The question now is, what next? Now, if you look inside this place here, we are owing 35 naira. I now paid 4 naira. It means I'm still owing 31 naira. So that means we have 1 minus 31, like this. Are we together? Let's go to this guy here, minus 0. I'm owing 10 naira. I paid 3 naira. That means I'm still owing 7 naira. And the next one is plus 2. Here, I'm owing 8 naira here. I'm owing 8 naira and I paid 21. I think I should have 13 here, like this. Now I think everything is set. What is left out now is to open our bracket and know what our answer should look like. Now we have to multiply. 1, this is positive sign, don't forget. When I told you in one of my videos, past video, I told you when we are multiplying times and minus by plus, that minus always win. It is plus times plus, of course it's plus, but when minus times plus, minus always win when you are timesing them. Let's go to this now. So this bracket means times. So, and this is positive sign, so 1 times minus 13. Of course, you know 31 times, 31 times 1, we know it will give us 31. We have that as our answer already as 31, right? But the issue now is plus times minus, we know we have what? Minus, just as I explained to you guys before. Now here, we know that minus times minus will give us plus, right? 0 times 7 will definitely give us what? 0. The next one here now is 2 times plus will give us plus. 2 times 13 will give us 26. I'm sure you will agree with me that it is as easy as what we have here. Now, if you look at this here now, we are owing 31 naira. This is 0. I can take this 0 off. So I can, for those of you that are confused, to make it easy, like I can take this one off and say minus 31 plus 26. Let's work on this. If that makes it easy. I'm owing somebody 31 naira and I went to pay 26 naira. It means I'm still owing the person 5 naira. I'm sure you agree with me. So, however, that means determinant of A is equal to what? Minus 5. With this, you are done. See how easy it is. It only takes one to settle down, follow it step by step. Before you know it, you're out there. Now, I haven't done this. I think the second one, B. I will leave it back to you guys to handle it. And make sure you share your answer with me on the comment section. I want to see your answer and make sure you do that very well. I'm sure you will do it very well. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. And ensure to please try out that one. I see my Mr. T. Thank you guys.